Good day everyone. So our activity number 1 is all about testing the soil. So here are our materials or ingredients. The first, the sun soil, the garden soil, the pot soil, the baking soda, the vinegar, and the water. So first, sun soil. First, lagyan natin ng tubig. Uy. Marami. The next, the vinegar. Haluin lang natin. Then susunod natin yung baking soda. So as we can see na marami itong bula. So nagpapahiwatig ito na mataas ang kanyang acidity. The next are garden soil. Same procedure. Let's add water, vinegar, then mix it. Then add some baking soda. So as we can see, mailan lang ang bumubula sa kanya. So nagpahiwatig ito na kaunti lang yung acidity ito. So lastly, the pot soil. Same procedure. Let's add water and vinegar. So sa pot soil, hindi rin ganong marami yung bula. So napapahiwatig ito na maliit din ang kanyang acidity. So sa kanilang tatlo, mas acid yung sa sun soil. That's all. Thank you.